Alright peeps, about to go cut one of my friend's hairs, so I'll ask him how he feels about my barberhood. We'll see what he says. Alright, let's go. Alright Devin, the people want to know how my barbership is.
It's pretty good. That's why I have you come over every 2 weeks. So, I guess we'll see after you're done.
We keep Devin high and tight for his customers at Pounders. So if you guys ever go to Pounders, ask for Devin and he'll hook you up. And make sure you leave him one solid tip. Alright Devin, what's the verdict? What's the verdict for all the naysayers out there?
Bruh, this is where it's at. Come get your hair cut by Trevor. He'll hook you up.
New man. New man, more tips. Give us your, if we go to Pounders, what should we get? Give us your Pounders advice.
Honestly, like, I usually just go for like burger and fries. That's pretty good. They got some good pizzas there too, but if you want like a nice sit down, full course meal, they got some good steak too. Steak and seafood, like a surf and turf. That's what I'd recommend.
Alright guys, you heard it here first. Heard it from the mouth of a, I don't know that saying, but hit a Pounders. Alright, another happy client. At least they seem happy. You never know with clients, you know. I remember when I used to get my hair cut, they'd give you the mirror and you like look at it and you're just like, good. And then you wait till you get home if you don't like it to like complain to your mom or whatever. So hope you like it, Devin, for real kind. And let's go home and see what that day has in store. Oh, just hit the curb. Alright, see ya. What's our goal for the day? Hi.
Straighten up our room, get our clothes organized.
What's it like being my roommate?
I've never had a better roommate.
Just really clean. And we gotta clean up. So here's all like my area. Drone box, randoms box, haircut box, all my plugins to charge, GoPro, screen so we can video, cameras. And then we have this pack and play where it's supposed to be somewhere where Savannah sleeps, but wow, Kaylin dented it. It was about halfway full of all of our clothes. So I feel like our goal today was to clean that out. We've periodically cleaned. 12 flag, go Hawks. And I think that's the goal for today. Then maybe if we succeed, maybe we'll go out and we'll
Smoothie.
get some food or something. Oh, sorry. Hi. Hi. Alright, real talk. Are we really gonna clean this basket? Hey! Dang it.
Clean this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like right now?
Well, I'm also doing laundry.
Look at our overflowing basket. So, what's our like? We're gonna go till 12. It's like 10:20 right now.
We're gonna go to 11
Okay.
because the smoothie place opened at 10. So I kind of wanted it like now.
All right, we'll work and then we'll get a smoothie.
Let me do it.
So Savannah peed on the bed. That's why there's all of our blankets and shoes right there. Baby life. Parent life. Sharing a bed with baby life. Hashtag. Hashtag, hashtag. Are we separating your clothes or just my clothes?
Hang it applies, yeah. Okay, are you keeping this or not? Cause
The sisters were singing songs la la.
I don't know any of them.
Like the 90s songs that you guys always be jamming to. Frick, all these shirts are inside out. I was like, damn, what you doing? When did this come out? Did you wear it? I feel like we made some solid progress. I think we still have 15 minutes more of cleaning. And then some. Did you do that? Always throws off my freaking put like this side of it on my neck. Going to
And that's over a lifetime of living and working in Hawaii. So yes, it's worth it.
Where's my glasses?
to Angels to get her her special mango smoothie, and then we're gonna get some poke from the Garosha Rice Store. What else we gonna get? Are we gonna get nails for the pictures? So we got our ish. Now we're at Ace trying to find some nails. Alright, we found the nails.
Why do you need another smoothie?
Alright, we're about to fly the drone. There's a hike back yonder behind the house that we're trying to find, so maybe if we fly the drone over it, then we can find it. Alright peeps, I'm about to try just do a little voiceover as we search for this path with the drone. Got a nice cute little Baldy on the screen right now, just flying up above the crib. Pretty solid view of the ocean. Fairly close. This is the hood. The community. And the hike is like back this way. If you could see like So like I'm trying to find the back of our house right now so that I can find out which, like where the path goes. So it's the one that if you see that green back of that house, it's the one to the left of that. So this is the road. The road is like behind our house. And I'm just trying to find like the path to get to where we're trying to go. So once the so if you see that road off to the left, it goes up and it curves right, and then dancing right here. So that hill right here straight ahead, that's where the hike is. So if you see that trail kind of off to the left on that hill, that's basically what we're searching for. Apparently that's called Cross Hill, and there's a white cross up there. Not sure, but that is what we're going for. And then obviously with the drone, you just pan around trying to get some cinematic shots, get some dope footage. While I was up here though, like right there, I thought like a bird hit the drone or something, I don't even know, but it was super windy and it was pretty rainy. You can see like the clouds up. So at this point it started raining pretty hard. Like right that turn, I clicked for the drone to come home. So right now we're dipping home. You can see the clouds. I think eventually you'll be able to see some of the rain too. But the drone held up pretty good in the wind and the rain, so I'm pretty happy with it. It's fairly easy to use, and it's just a matter of time to get used to it. So anyways, after watching this, I'm like, yo, the hike and the trail seems fairly simple to find. So in the next video, we're going to show you our adventure towards it. So, got the drone back home safely. You can see the rain now pretty good. And yeah, hopefully tomorrow we'll be able to find the trail. Go up to, apparently there's some bunkers up there. So, I imagine it's a pretty sick view. So hopefully we can find it. Oh, was cooking, good looking. Yeah, you. I don't know if you could tell in the drone footage, but we got rained out. It was fairly far away. I'm a rookie, so when like my phone be buzzing saying like high wind velocity, be careful, or obstacle avoiding sensors are like not working, I'm like kind of scared. So it started to pour rain, so I zoomed it back real quick. Yeah. So, and then I found $20. Alright everybody, we're gonna give you the result of our goal of cleaning the room. So, here's the crib, no clothes. Savannah could sleep in there if we choose to put her in there. Folded all the clothes. Look, the bed's freshly made with wash sheets. Look at my corner. Oh, just some wires and stuff, but remember all those boxes? Gone. So to me, I feel like we reached our freaking goal, baby. Clean the room. Kaylin got her smoothie. And everything's all good. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Just hit that button right on the screen right now. And we'll see you next time.